I'm at the Melody Farm Shopping Center in Vernon Hills, which hosts a huge array of shopping and dining options, and I'm headed across the road for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished apartments at the Milton. The Milton has an outdoor pool and sun deck with shaded grilling and lounging areas, and a spacious courtyard with golf, bocce, and more, and a private dog park. The clubhouse has a spacious, high-ceiling great room and adjacent spaces for hosting a small gathering or a business meeting. The 24/7 fitness center has cardio and strength training equipment, free weights, and Peloton bikes. I'm standing on the wide sheltered balcony of apartment 1175-511, looking out into the trees and turning into the apartment. I have an open plan living dining kitchen, wide plank flooring, high ceilings, comfortable furnishings, including a large TV, dining table, home office desk, and turning into the kitchen. A breakfast bar peninsula with wide quartz counters, deep, wide undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a pantry cabinet, French door refrigerator, built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, gray tile backsplash contrasting with the white quartz counter, and since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, have all the countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, glasses, everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. Plenty of space for relaxing or gathering with some friends in this room. The 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Bedroom 2, bedrooms are carpeted. Another flat panel TV. Heading toward the bath. There's the linen closet. Bath has a white vanity with a bank of drawers, double bowls, quartz counter with an undermount sink, and a vanity with mirror, and a deep soaking tub. Bedroom 2, set up with a queen-size bed, nightstands, large chest of drawers, another TV, and a walk-in closet. Sweet Home has a variety of offerings at the Milton, and they're all a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.